Hello and welcome to our very first live trading ATAS webinar. We are thrilled to have Yuriy, co-founder of Baiku Trading School and an official partner of ATAS, as our host. Yuriy will be demonstrating live trading at CME using the ATAS platform and its powerful tools. You can also get a free template from Yuriy. Just check the description below this video. Also, we would like to remind you that you can practice all strategies on the ATAS platform for free. Download ATAS using the link provided in the description if you haven't installed it yet. So, let's begin.
Welcome, dear community. We start our live trading session. American market main session opens within 15 minutes. We will do a brief explanation to you what we will do together today. First, it would be a live session. We will, at this moment, we will cover with you key areas that we would like to trade. After that, we will wait for price reaching those key areas. If price reaches those key areas and there would be a good confirmation, we will take those trades. I will trade on live account. My risk per position at this moment, 150 USD. I have risk per day, 600. It means I allow to myself to get 4 stop losses if I will be wrong. Remember, when you take trades, sometimes it can go against you. That's why you need to be able to live with those losses. At this moment, as always, write about audio quality from 1 to 10. And let's go. Let me explain to you what we will trade. And let me show to you key areas where we will trade. From 1 to 10, once more, about video quality. Yeah, I see 10, 10. And also share with me how many of you trade ES or NQ, how many of you trade futures, and how many of you trade crypto. If you trade futures, write futures. If you trade crypto, write crypto. And if you trade both, write crypto futures. I would like to know how many of you trade beautiful markets here. Okay, let me start and let me show to you what we exactly will do today. One moment, let me start sharing a screen because I forgot to share a screen with you. Okay, I added. Good. It would be a brief tutorial what we will do. When we trade indexes, in most cases, we can do only 2 things. Indexes, we trade or range environment when price moves around value, or we trade trend environment when price bounce from VWAP or some deviation of VWAP, and our major goal to catch a trade for continue. The most important job is to understand what type of environment is here. Because if, for example, you will be in a range environment and you will try to take a trade as breakout, you will fail. But on a trend environment, if you tried reversal trades, you will fail. That's why for us, the most important at this moment to identify what type of environment we are in. If we are in a range, we will focus mainly on key areas. It is previous value area high, composite value area high, value area low, untested POC, and many different levels. If we will be in a trend environment, what we will do, we will look entries for continue of this trend. At this moment, write plus into your chat if you understand what's our agenda for today. How we identify key areas and how we identify environment. First, we pay attention where price at this moment. You can see at this moment, you can see that our beautiful NQ. I will mainly focus on NQ today. NQ broke higher value. You can see price were in this higher value. It was exactly here, this value area. This value area were broken, and price started this big and massive drop. It was on Friday. They started drop from value area high. One moment. What's going on? My apology. They started this massive drop from this composite value area high on Friday. At this moment, price came back into previous value. You can see we at this moment, I would say NQ inside of this previous value. And there's a chance that price would stay around this value and create a range. Plus, we have a daily open inside of previous value. You can see it was really trend day, powerful trend day on Friday. At this moment, there's a chance that we will be in a range inside of this value. That's why our priority for today is, of course, is to trade it as a range environment. Plus, additional reason why we pay attention to this day as a range environment, you can see the price start of this session, start of a day, how beautifully price moves around value, around VWAP. Big chances that it would be a range environment. Okay, what would be our key areas for long? Of course, key area for long would be this POC from Friday. POC from Friday plus swing low together with value area low. These two levels really good for us. If price reach these levels, and that would be especially delta absorption, it would be our places where we would take a trade. Okay, about short levels, let's build short levels together. We have this single prints, which potentially could be taken. Honestly, I don't like single prints, only single prints, because I like when there are several levels together. For example, VWAP, for example, like VWAP of a Friday plus single prints, that's why together, if they would take this area, they could be potentially local short. Previous value. What about previous value? Previous value area high. It is a good place for a short if price would reach it. This single prints only in a case significant delta absorption and value area low and POC. That's our key levels for today that we would like to pay attention. Can the price, for example, break down and continue this downtrend? Yes, it's possible. In that case, if that happens, we will need to see it on VWAP. Okay, if at this moment there is a questions, it is time to ask it. Ask your questions in the comments. It is NQ. It is a Nasdaq futures. NQ. Friends, session will start within 6 minutes. Also, let me explain to you what indicators we use. We use volume profile. You can find it market profile and TPO. You can use volume profile. We use daily volume profile. Beauty of this indicator is that it built for us value area, POC, value area low. It automatically showed to us key areas where we would like to trade. VWAP. Second, it is a VWAP. I prefer to use VWAP on a smaller time frame. What's main goal of VWAP is to show to us, especially when we have a trend day, a rhythm of a day. Because often you will see how deviation on VWAP could become powerful support and resistance. Main goal VWAP to show us rhythm of a day. The next one, it is a delta. You can see this one part. It is a delta. Main goal of delta to see absorption or aggressive buyer or seller. Absorption, that's example for you. What's how absorption looks like when we have a significant delta rise, especially into some key area, and there is no result price create, for example, like this one, exactly opposite reverse. It calls absorption. This stuff really good, especially in a range day or when you take a trade for continue. For example, you have powerful trend day and price reach some important deviation on VWAP. Where is it? And there you see significant delta spikes, especially into a high. Often it is stop losses or trap buyers. Both of this stuff is good when you look entry for continue as a confirmation. Cumulative delta for us would be additional confirmation for a trade. Do you use open interest when you scalp in QAS? There is no open interest in real time as in crypto because when you trade crypto, you can get access to open interest on real time. That's big difference. That's why we don't use it in CME. Okay, let's see. Key area. Also, I will take trades on the micro contracts because I would like to. Main reason why I would take trades on micro contracts because I will use 6 micro contracts, and when you try to get out by parts, you have more opportunities to get out by parts. That's a reason why we use micro contracts because my risk per position 150. For those who have a risk per position at least 1,000, you can use standard contracts. Which type of contracts do you use, my friends? How many of you understand difference between micro and standard? Write plus if you understand it. Okay. Few minutes, 3 minutes, and everything is going to start. Also, one more additional part. I will be with you until or we take 2 trades and there would be 2 take profits, or there would be 3 stop losses. If there would be 2 take profits, we finish this session, or there would be 3 stop losses, we finish this session. That's it. Okay, at this moment, you can see how price bounced from first deviation. Price bounced from this first deviation. Globally, there is nothing interesting. Price is inside. Let's see, because the most interesting for us, it is swing high, because price bounced beautifully from second deviation. There could be a second deviation could play out as a good resistance also today. We should pay attention to second deviation. Also, once more, remind to all of you that you can get access to all my templates that you see at this moment. Here would be get step-by-step templates and tutorial to our templates. Link will be in description. You will open it. There would be such form. You fill it. And after that, my team will send to you all my templates and PDF manual with it. Okay. Let's ready for Jumbo. 1 minute. One minute and volatility is coming. So also interesting to see what would be this news already released 15:30. There is no news for today. It's really good. I hope Trump will do some rest for today and he wouldn't do some big statements, because when there is no statements, it's honestly far easier to trade than Mr. Trump give us some other stuff. Volatility starts. Main session started. Key level for us at this moment, previous point of control, 21,685. Mm-hmm. Let's see what will be with this value. What time frame? I use volume. I don't use time-based charts. I use volume-based chart. What beauty of Fatas? When the like at this moment we wait for open. If there would be good situations, if there would be nothing interesting, we will do reply, and I will show to you a few really awesome tips of Fatas. First, beauty of Fatas that you can use different type of charts. Like most of the people, they use time-based. It is this 1 minute. You can go to this one. You can configure it, and you can minute, seconds. You can like build second charts, minute charts. Depends what you like. Also volume-based. Oh, we have some beautiful buyer. We have some buyers here. Let's see what they plan to do. Will they test here? We use 1000 volume. In some cases, I use 5000 volume. It means every candle, it is 5000 contracts or 1000 contracts. We had some buyers, as you can see, some buyers came in, pushed through VWAP. You can see it here. Someone pushed through VWAP, and that's it. And then they even failed to test second deviation and took swing heights. Really sad, because it is only one place where I would like to take a trade, because that would be really awesome place. Because to trade inside, I don't like it. I don't like to trade inside. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Those buyers really not serious. One small point of control at 21,686. At this moment, the most important area for us. Price moves around VWAP. We must trade at this moment range day until we proved otherwise. The trend started. Plus, once more price open inside of previous value. That's why there's a big chance to trade inside. Mm-hmm. There's a chance to take this key area at this moment. Let's see. Plus, it would be this swing low, London low. It would be really good if they would do it together. We'll take low of London and test point of control. Also, I would be super happy to see there are some significant delta absorption. Price reached second deviation. Do you prefer scalping crypto or futures? For scalping, futures is better because there are several reasons behind that. First reason, it is commissions. On a crypto, on most of the exchanges, you have quite significant commission, especially on maker, on a taker, my apology. When you trade with market orders, you have really big commission. That's first. On futures, commissions way smaller. Second reason, on futures, you have a session. You have a clear session when you can focus. For example, you have 4 hours, like at this moment, from it is my time, it is East European time. From 4:30, like 4 hours, it's enough to see most of movements. That's why, because of session, you can concentrate. The most important in scalping it is to be concentrated, because sometimes you have for entry like 2 minutes, and if you are not concentrated, you can miss it really easy. Friends, NQ really close to our key area. Pay attention. If there would be delta absorption, we will take a trade. What would be our entry if NQ reach it? What would be my entry? Let me explain. Let me show to you. It would be something like this. Price must reach it, and after that there must be at least one green candle. In that case, we set limit order, and we will try to take a trade, but to weave up, and like maybe we will use only mathematical take profits. We won't be really greedy. At this moment, you can see they bounced from London low. I don't trade such swing lows. Plus, there was no significant delta absorption. Like there was small delta absorption, but not so big. It would be funny if they would make a move from this. Additional reason why scalping on futures is better. Futures is 100% regulated. You have a lot of prop firms. Even at this moment, my account, I traded on a prop firms via ATAS. Like my ATAS account connected to a prop firm. Additional reason why scalping: commissions, short period of time, super regulated market. Okay, we can see price come back. Good. We have a chance for a move. We have a chance for good candle down. Reason why it is better to trade crypto as a swing. First, crypto has no session. That's a reason why you can take trades at evening, night, Asian session, European session, American session, doesn't matter. The opportunities nearly around the clock. Also, there could be opportunities on the weekends. Crypto, way slower. That's why it is way better on a crypto to take swing trades, because also commission. If you will take a scalp, for example, 0.5%. Imagine on a crypto, on BTC, you take a scalp 0.5%. If you will use market orders, your commission would be 0.2. That means 40% of your income would be commission. You must have really good win rate in order to have good performance. That's why crypto is good for swing trading. Go, my beautiful boy. Let's go and take VWAP of a Friday, point of control of Friday. Go. Go. Where is the spread on CME? And here you can see depth of market. Here is the spread on CME. Spread works always the same everywhere. That's the spread on CME. Spread on CME is super tiny. Looks like they bounced from this level. It's really sad because I still wait for POC. I didn't plan to take this trade at this level. You remember when we started session, I told you that swing low. I didn't mention a swing low. I mentioned only POC and low of Friday. That's only two levels which I mentioned. What prop firm do you use, friends? At this moment, I don't like to promote prop firms because we do trade with ATAS. I will show you a lot of good tips on ATAS. This stream is not about prop firms. There's a chance to take point of control, really big chance. That's example for you. What's the difference between CME and crypto? At this moment, we must be super focused, because if we would not be super focused, we can do one simple mistake and we can lose this opportunity. About indicators that I use, I spoke first 15 minutes when we started the session. I explained what indicator I use, what type of a trend we can use. All the stuff was before. You can resume this live and you'll watch it. Plus, you can download our templates, entire workspace. Okay, NQ at VPOC. Let's wait for reaction. There must be at least one green candle. No green. Must be one green. If there one green, we set buy limit. Do retest, my baby. Retest. I demand retest. Our stop loss is 50 ticks. Okay. We are in position. We are in position. Okay, time to make our stop loss lower. I moved stop loss to swing low. At this moment, stop loss only 50 USD. Okay, let's set first target. Okay, good. Okay, at least we have super aggressive delta. Okay. POC at this moment, you can see, at this moment we have two risks because you saw my original stop loss was 150. At this moment, we can take 300. I would like to close at least part at VWAP if they reach 21,753. And second part depends what they would do with VWAP. Let's see. I would be happy. Of course, Our dream for today would be they would do rotation and would take value area high. It would be just the greatest day, because in that case it would be 10 risk reward. But don't be greedy. At least third part at VWAP we definitely must close out. 21,753. Let's set sell limit. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I hope you saw how fast all of this stuff was. That's example for you why scalping on NQ is better, because we had 2 minutes to take a trade. This on micro, I use 1 minute chart, you can see. On this, I use volume based, like 1 minute closed, 2nd minute retested. That's it. Let's see, because at this moment you can see how they trade around this first deviation. I would be really happy to see flip because you can see they must break it. I would be so happy to see if they would break through it, because in that case, there's a big chance for rotation. Now back to BTC. No, friends, it is not about BTC. We don't trade today BTC. Today, we 100% concentrated on NQ. Plus, I will do a special bonus for all of you today. I will show to you how with ATAS you can improve your trading skill and you can build your, you can learn how to trade. Oh my God. It would be really sad if they would take my break even and would go with us. But that's our strategy. Or they give us, or $50 ticks. Big chance for break even. Chance for break even at this moment so big. Like possibility of break even, I would say 80%. That's example for you why break even is so important. Yes, we could take 2 risk reward, but my goal was to retest at least uncat VWAP, and you can see it didn't work. Main problem at this moment, if the price, the most important question at this moment that I ask myself, did we choose trade environment correctly? Because what's the main problem? If you chose the wrong environment and there would be a trend day, this reversal trades, in most cases, they will fail. That's the hardest part of all of this, because you saw how it was really accurate. Price retested key area. At key area, we had delta spike, and we had first reaction, bullish reaction, we took a trade. You saw how accurate that stuff. But once more, what's the main problem? If price inside of a range, like here, in that case, it would be wonderful trades. But if we chose a wrong environment and the trend would start, it would be, we will get quite a lot of stop losses. Okay, at this moment we have this swing low. If this swing low won't be taken, with bigger chance, if this area, once more, we will try once more this key area, 21,650. Here we will try one more. If there would be no good reaction, we will wait for first deviation for some good delta absorption and for entry for continue. At this moment, you can see how price before this first deviation of VWAP, there also could be a situation that still downtrend would go on, and better would be at first deviation to look entry for continue for short. But there should be like here delta absorption. In that case, it would be wonderful. Okay, we're super close. We wait for reaction. Good. With two key area, we wait for a green candle. Green candle must be formed. If green candle formed, we set buy limit. Green candle. No green candle, we skip. Red. No. Looks like we are in a downtrend environment. Downtrend continue. At this moment, what we would do, we price bounced several times from this first deviation. At this moment, we will try to take a short at this first deviation of VWAP, especially if there would be a volume spike, because key area didn't work already. Okay. Never fight the trend. I agree with you 100%. The most important question to identify a trend, because if you would say, the most important question to identify a trend correctly, because in some cases you won't be able to do it. Okay, let's see for another key area. Previous week POC. Let's look, maybe there would be some composite. We have only this swing lows at this moment. There could be some pullback, but trend is strong. I would prefer a retest of first deviation of VWAP and take short. Looks like we identified trend environment not correctly, because you can see that this first deviation, if we would take short from first deviation, it would be really wonderful short trade. That's why I tell you this stuff, because for me at this moment it is the most hardest part. The most hardest part of all of this stuff when you scalp ES, it is identify a trend. Bilal Chaudhry, never fight a trade. I agree with you. Once more, I agree with you. But the most important question, how to identify it correctly, because you can use previous day open, you can use composite profile. Like in all of this stuff you can use, but in some cases you will do mistakes. And that's the hardest part, because when we analyze our trade statistic, we saw when we identify a trend correctly, everything is wonderful. When we do not understand what type of a trend we are in that case, market do really difficult stuff with us. Mm. Can we use this exact setup of free version of ATAS? John, of course not, because you need to buy data. You need to first to buy data. You need to buy ATAS subscription. But your accuracy, even here, when we took a trade from point of control, you saw how fast price reached this first deviation. We just did a mistake. We didn't identify that there would be breakdown today. That's it. Let's wait. I would be super happy to see retest of this first deviation, and at that level, we would like to take a trade. About taking long against this trend, honestly, it is the most hardest part to find a reversal. I tried so many times to take reversals when I traded it. I tried many times, and nearly every time I failed to find good reversal. No reversal. I think better to wait for a trend shift, and only after that we can try to find some reversal trade. I think at this moment it is too early to even try to find some reversal trades. What at this moment would be really good and useful for us? Let me show to you one useful tool for us, because at this moment, once more, we can take short only in a case of retest first deviation, but with bigger chance that first deviation could work together with previous point of control and or previous value area low. And if there would be some retest, we will try to take short. Let me show you one really useful tools from ATAS. It is a market replay, especially for all of you that start your path in learning how to trade CME. What really powerful tool here, you can go and you can have reply this tool. Let me show to you how it works. You connect reply. For example, let's choose NQ. We have NQ. You choose the date. And what's beauty here, you can reply entire session. You can reply entire session. Let me show to you a Friday. At this moment, we have M and Q. We pay attention to M and Q. And have a look. What we can do, we can reply entire session, and we can see what how it played out. In what cases it worked really well. All this stuff. For example, on a Friday, you can see. Let me show to you. On a Friday, we had this value area high of composite value area high. You can see all this stuff. You can open even DOM and you can see how exactly you can see depth of market, entire depth of market. I would like to show you. We have composite. And what you can do, even here, you can do even take trades. Let's assume a situation, for example, it is a Friday, and you would like to backtest your strategy. That's really awesome stuff, because what you do, you can see exactly how it played out. You can do it really lower, like a little bit. Okay, let me do. Oh my God. One moment, sir. One moment, my friend. I did a mistake by taking this out. Good. Why is that reply? I just want to show you this one secret, and you will understand how really powerful tool is this. Because especially those of you that would like to start your path in scalping, I definitely advise you to test it, because you can play out 3 months of history on a task, and nearly every session. Especially, I advise you to try sessions which you do not understand, for example. And you can even take trades via ATAS on simulator. You can see this reply. It is account reply, and you can take trades, and you can see how your strategy played out. Of course, for all of this stuff, you will need a good template, because if you don't have a good template, you won't be able to test your strategy. That's a reason why for all of you, we give for all of you our template for free. It would be in description to this video, because you can even backtest on ATAS your strategy, even our strategy, our approaches. Let's assume you would like to take short. And you can try and see how your strategy go on. You can mark key levels. For example, you can do faster reply. You can do smaller. For example, you need accuracy at this moment. You can see, for example, you can set up 1-to-1. And you can see exactly how it played out, especially what I advise you to do on the hard days, because what we do, with my team, what we do when we have really bad days, we always do market reply on a smaller, and we always see how those market days played out for us. And why is this stuff useful? Because you can reply 3 months of data, and you can get so many setups, and especially take days, especially if you're a beginner, you start last 3 months, you don't remember them, and you can see exactly how, for example, key areas played out. In what cases they don't work. For education, maybe it is the best tool that you can get. Of course, you will need to buy ATAS, and you will need to buy ATAS data. That's why, my friend, it's worth it compared to how much money you can lose. That's why go down in description, download ATAS, download our templates, because you can see exactly, for example, big delta absorption and composite value area high. You can see how this stuff works. In what cases it doesn't work. It's worth your attention. And for example, you can set targets. You can close even your trades by parts. All of this stuff, you can see how this stuff really works. That's why I think for education, reply, maybe it is the best tool that were existed, that people were created. Because I don't see better tool. Because once more, within several days, you can play out many sessions, hundreds of sessions, several hundreds of sessions. And based on that data, you can take really good trades. That's my free advice for all of you. who would like to start, especially scalping on CME. If you start scalping, don't do it on real money, because calculate by yourself how much for a start you will invest only into learning what to trade, because you will have quite a lot of stop losses as a beginner. Every person has quite a lot of stop losses as a beginner. And just by having good backtest, you will save a ton of money. Have a look what's going on with this session. Again, we have a super trendy day. We have super trendy open. At this moment, friends, we wait for what will be the next, because price super close to this swing low. We have this swing low. Price is super close to it. Maybe there would be some reaction. Previous swing low, you can see there was no reaction. That's why I don't want to pay even attention to it. Powerful trend. Of course, the best for us would be retest of this first deviation. It is first deviation here, you can see. It would be retest of first deviation, and here to try to find some short. But will it happen? Let's see. I'll be with you here one more additional 1 hour. We will finish this session, or there would be some trades that we would take together, or there would be some good reaction. Some limit order just filled 150. Go, go, go. We need at least some structure change, because at this moment, pay attention how this structure is super down. To fade the structure, I have zero desire at this moment to go against this downward structure, because I got so many stop losses when I traded CME first days. I got so many stop losses when I tried to find reversal of this. Only at this moment, it looks like we will have some structure change, like right now. Just pay attention how what type of a day we have today, because at this moment, price moves down with 2.5, below 2.5 deviation. Honestly, I don't like this type of deviation, because it's difficult to, for me, it's super difficult to trade such deviation. Finally, at this moment, we have deviation shift. There could be a chance at this moment, we should pay attention. There could be a chance that this 2.5 deviation could become good support. We need at least one more reaction. If one more reaction confirm, we can try deviation shift to trade. Let's see. Need to see it. We simply need to see it. How long do you hold your trade position on average for CME products? 10, maximum maybe less than hour. Biggest trade, I think it was nearly an hour. Because it's scalping. Yes, you can try. In some cases, honestly, if we would identify that there would be breakdown today, sometimes best what you can do, take a trade, do nothing, get out. But it's like, it's easy to say. We opened inside of previous value. There was a big chance for range environment. We have some buyers at this moment that entering the market. Pay attention to this first deviation. If there would be some good delta absorption, we will try to take short. We had here good reaction. We wait for this key level. At this moment, it is 21,590. I wait for it, for retest of this first deviation. There a chance that there could be something like this, for example, price retest deviation, after that make one lower low, and after that structure change. Something like this was on Friday. You can see that open also was super trendy, and after that you can see how price during open, what they did only up and down, and after that they did trend change, and after that they did really range. Second part of the day was super rangy. Here key resistance for us. At this moment, friends, remember to push like and follow attached channel, because we share with you really a lot of cool stuff that will help you understand the market. We had only one trade that closed at break even. If you remember, it was, if all of you remember, why I don't see my trades here. We had only one trade, which were closed at break even. You can see a test POC of Friday. There was quite nice reaction, but you can see it didn't work well. It looks like some aggressive buyer appeared, because at this moment, pay attention, we have this big limit orders, 1K here, 1K here. Interesting what will be with this limit orders. It looks like aggressive buyers appeared, because it's clear trend shift. That's why once more at this moment we pay attention to this 2.5 deviation, because it could play out as a good resistance at this moment. Support, apology, and 1.5 first deviation as the powerful resistance. In both cases, we will need delta confirmation at those trades. If there would be no delta confirmation, we would not take it. We would skip it. We are here. Price is at key area. Let's see what will be here. Take this deviation, please. I would be super happy to see at this moment some big delta spike, such pooh, big delta spike. That would be the best confirmation for us. Just give it to me, please, in queue. I would start loving you. You would be my friend. You will be my friend forever. That's example for you why on a trend day, VWAP, a really useful tool. On a range day, volume profile is the best tool. Good, we have this one. If that would be, we have higher high. my God. Just give it. Just give some good delta. I wouldn't say that that's the best delta. We can try because still trend environment. Okay. At this moment, we will wait for a red candle. If red candle appears, we will try to take this deviation. We have clear reaction of this deviation. But there must be red candle. Yeah, we have red candle. Let's try. Let's see, will it be on our side or not? Go, my baby. Take a retest. Okay, good. We entered. No. Chances. We have reaction. Okay, let's make my stop loss a little bit smaller. There's no reason to keep it so much. Just give me at least. Okay, I closed first contract to reduce my stop loss. At this moment, we have two risks. At this moment, we have two risks. Let's take on two risk. One more contract. We risk free. We have four more contracts. At this moment, once more, I still think there's a big chance to retest of this deviation from this side. Let's see. I would close by parts at this big contracts 21,500. I would like to take one more here. At this moment, did you take a trade with me? If you took trade with me, write plus into a chat. Just give me this one contract. Give me, baby, give me this one contract. Holy shit. We could take this one more, and we would be in some profit already. It is our day. You can see, my friends, we took 42, 62, It's really good that we have the delta rise. There could be some buyers who could be absorbed. I would be really happy. At this moment, we can see, have a look on this orders by that statistic. Let me show to you. We already took 42, we took 66. You can see our previous trade close at break-even, plus 12. Even if at this moment this trade would hit SL, stop loss, you can see that it would be still already in a profit. That's a reason why I trade micro contracts, because I have opportunity, as you can see, to close my trades by parts. And by that, I reduce my risk. At this moment, you can see we are risk-free. And if price would do some drop, okay, let's get out from this one more contract. Statistic. And this one, let's keep until stop loss would take profit or something else would appear. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. It's so awesome to be risk-free. Friends, do you agree with me that it is awesome to be risk-free? How many of you at this moment risk-free? Hi, Bika, do you trade with funding account? Nice stream, thanks. Yes, I trade on funded account. It is a CME account connected to ATAS. You need to know that about prop firms, quite a lot of people ask me what I think about prop firms. Remember, prop firm is a tool. In order to use the tool correctly, you need a strategy, you need clear approach, because I remember when I tried first time to pass evaluation, I blow out account really super fast, and it was like gambling. I remember that feeling like you want to come back because you blow out account and you want to get funded. Honestly, I felt like I was in casino. Only when you have a strategy and you have clear understanding what you are looking for, only in that case, as prop firms will help you. That's why when you start always with small amount, and remember that your first account must be for education purpose only. And as you saw, you can own a task, you can play out many trading sessions. Just do it. You can play out 3 months of data. You can try your strategy. For example, you can try absorption, breakout. Like most of the people in Zen trade nearly the same strategies. Just execution a little bit different, because some people would wait only to full take profit. Some people would take 1 to 2 risk reward and get out. But in the end, we trade nearly the same stuff. And you can reply it 3 months. You can try so many situations. You can write down and see what really works. And only after that, you start with small account and you see that you can execute it really correctly, because real account and simulator or demo completely different, because there's no emotion. That's why use this opportunity from ATAS. Use this opportunity from ATAS that you can reply this data. Plus, all of you can get my templates, my workspace for free. Link will be in description. You will fill the form and my team will send my workspace. You can see how beautiful session was today and how we had several opportunities. This POC, sadly, it didn't work. Plus this first deviation, but I chose, I thought that would be a range environment. That's why I scap it. I didn't even try it. And at this moment, we have again this deviation to continue this trend, and we are already at break even. Not even at break even, we are already at risk free. What's my at this moment? What's my result for this session? You can see on statistic. We took It is our free contracts. First trade that we traded closed at break even, you can see. Second trade, at this moment, we have 150, nearly 200 USD. It means if at this moment this trade would hit break even, we still would be in some small profit. That's example for you what must be scalping. Does a task have a feature for practicing with virtual money? On reply, you do it with test money. Do you use Rhythmic or if ETH Viewer? Let's see, because at this moment there are these limit orders, and interesting to see will market break through these limit orders. For me, it's the most important for it to break through this wall for these two significant limit orders. You can see them. I would be super happy. I would like to close one contract before them. Pay attention at this moment. We have this 1K and we have this 1K. The most important question, will they played out? I moved stop loss into break even because I see no reason to keep a trade open because or we break through it and hit this deviation, or this buyer really absorb it. That's why. Do you learn VSA? Of course I learned VSA. Scalping also must be the 1 to 2 taken on 1 to 2. Man, scalping must be as you wish. I don't like 1 to 2. I don't like super scalping. Like it is, I would say, it is scalping as a granny. I would scalp as my grandma. I don't like super fast trades because it is not for my emotional archetype. I like, as you can see, we reached key area. Have a look. 2 hours, it is scalping, but it took more than 1 hour together, and we had only 2 opportunities. And for me, that's good because I don't like too much opportunities. Pay attention to this limit order. Will price break through it or not? Because at this moment, still we don't have any buyers that would like to at this moment to step in, because there is no aggressive buyer. If there would be aggressive buyer, if I will see aggressive buyer, I would close my trade manually because at this moment, this limit order must do something. Volume spread analysis, good stuff, but trading far complicated than just one theory. You have VSA, you have order flow, you have smart money concept, you have price action, you have so many stuff. And the most important question, what will make really reaction on a price? Because, okay, collection data. We took 42 plus 66 plus 84 plus 126. Oh my God, we have only 2 risk and plus 137. It is nearly 4 risk. Pay attention, you can see that price start fading this limit order. No, I would like to close it because there could be some additional stop loss hunt. We took our beautiful nearly 4 risk. At this moment, we close our trade. I close it. Maybe it's a mistake, but I don't have profit. And at this moment, I don't see how they would like to react on this price level. We have one profit. We have one full profit with you. All together, we have one break-even and one profit. We took 4 risk to reward, at least, approximately. Let's calculate how much we made on this trade. Okay. We took 42 plus 66 plus 84 plus 126 plus 137 and plus 108. And our risk per position was 150. We took divide this stuff on 150. What's going on with my PC? 563 divide on 3.7 risk. Good? Good enough or not? What we do at this moment, first, you would like to tell me, is it good enough for you or not? What's going on? This bias, as you can see. At this moment, from 1, write in a chart from 1 to 10, do you enjoy this stream? Because we took 2 situations. First, hit break even. Second, we got 3.7 R, risk reward. I wouldn't say it's super big, but it's not bad. At this moment, what I promised to you, I promised to you 2 profit trades. Sadly, first trade wasn't profitable. That's why we would wait with you for one additional situation. What could be additional situation? It is or retest of 2.5 deviation from this side, or again at this first deviation, there would be some bullish absorption to take a trade for continuous this downtrend. We would trade it. But once more, it would be only one opportunity. If price hits stop loss, for me, it would be end of a day. What I ask you, support me with your like, download ATAS, and download my templates and workspace to learn how to use it together. And remember, for those of you who would like to get a personal help, you can join our education program. For those of you who will download template, my team also will share opportunities how you can work with us. Let me explain to you once more what exactly we would look at this moment. Once more, what we do right now. We have this deviation. You can see how this deviation played out. But pay attention, here was beautiful absorption by delta. And we have a trend market. During trend market, best what you can do, take trades for continue of a trend. That's it. Don't think too much. At this moment, also, we have a trend shift. You can see that this deviation was good resistance, and right now there's a chance that this deviation could play out as a powerful support. That's why if the price would take this deviation from this side, we also can try to take long. That's why once more, here we will try short. In a case of delta absorption, there must be positive delta. If there would be no positive delta, we would skip it. Again, some guy here try. You can see this. Some buyer again set this buy limit. They set buy limit here. It were executed. For me, it's interesting what these guys plan to do, because they together at this moment they built quite serious position. There would be 2,000 contracts. For me, just interesting how serious those guys are. Can I download your task template for free? Where to download your template? To download our template, you go in description to this live session. There would be step-by-step guide from me and my team. You open this link. There would be a special form. You fill that form, and after that, my team share it with you. We never share your contact to free party. My team will help you to set it up for free. When you download it, no one would force you to work with us. You can simply download it and say, okay, I don't work with you, goodbye. That's up for you. It would be funny if price would drop into this deviation, and we would have opportunity to take a trade. At this moment, you can see we took that short. We closed by parts. Main reason why I closed by parts, because you saw how previous trade we were close for getting out. 50 ticks. As you can see, we closed by parts. At this moment, if we would keep trade until this very moment, it would be 1 to 7 risk reward. That's example for you how scalping looks like. Yuri, what's the name of your watch? You mean this one? Man, it's simple Apple Watch. Bum, 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 bum. Again, pay attention to this aggressive delta, or will we have some level below? For me, it's just interesting because at this moment, honestly, without significant stop loss hunt, it would be really difficult, because those guys who were absorbed here, something must be happened with their positions, and main problem is that their stop loss hunt could be even bigger. That's why we need to see. Without confirmation, we won't take any other trade. Do you tell me the chart which time frame? There is no time frame. It is 1000 volume chart. In ATAS, you can use volume-based chart. We use volume-based. We don't use on CME. We don't use time-based. We use time-based only on a bigger time frame for building volume profile, all this stuff. Here it is M30. You can see. For composites, I use 1 hour. Here I build composite profiles. For local confirmation, I use volume-based. In ATAS, you can see you have so many different type of a chart. You have range, rank, you have delta, you can volume, tick, seconds, minutes. You can choose cumulative trades or the floor. Choose whatever you wish. Here on NQ, I use 1000. If market's super slow, we can sometimes use 5K. Here, have a look. This 5K. This area was played out maybe even better than there. We have at this moment, let me show to you statistic of this day. I would like to show you the screenshot. One moment. We have only two trades for today. Let me show it. Let me show it. It is this one. It is our statistic for today. We have a profit 563. You can see commission 6, 14. Number of trades, actually, there are 2 trades because one trade hit break even. I don't know why we had one long. This one long. Long trade didn't played out. Short trade, you can see, played out really well. A short trade hit break even. Can we use template to scalp BTC USD if that volume would be used? Why would you use to scalp BTC? If BTC completely different, it is completely different instrument. You need to swing trade BTC. With BTC, you have much higher commissions. BTC way slower. BTC can be in a range for days. On NQ, you have session. Within a session, within 3 hours, you have a lot of volatility. You have a tiny commission. Compare. On this trade, altogether, we made 563 with commission 14 USD. It is 3%. When you will scalp crypto, your commission could be up to 20%. It's why? Why? I like BTC, I trade BTC, but I don't see at this moment a reason to scalp BTC. It's completely different environment. Many years ago, that was completely different on BTC. BTC was, you saw significant limit order and you could take a trade with tiny stop loss. At this moment, it's not. Okay, we have this key area, maybe this area. It would be super funny if price would drop from this area and take this key zone. It would be, if that would happen, we could take 1.5K by doing nothing. Yeah, everything looks like price would go down and take that key zone. Sometimes it's difficult to keep your position really long because it's easier to do it when you have booked profit. And have a look. From our entry, it is at this moment 1:8 risk to reward ratio. 1:8. You put 100 USD, you make 800. As you can see, our trading session bounce it here, break even. Okay, let's hope price would drop into this area and we would have one more opportunity, because there is no, if there would be no reach this area, there would be no other opportunities. Only traveling, my friend, only traveling. I advise you, just based on questions that you ask, to join education program, because you really need it. If you won't do it, you will lose a lot of money. You need to join us and get personal help, because when you say for swing we use volume, man, how much you blow out? Just tell me, because everything looks like you blow out so much money that let's pay attention. What's going on? What deviation? What about 1.5? We are here. Let's do 1.5 to 2.5. Okay. Sorry, that's only VWAP and deviation? No. It's it's difficult because we have a trend day. On a trend day, you use VWAP deviation. On a range day, you use key areas. Like this first trade, I thought we would continue this range that started. And there was test of POC from Friday. You can see this POC. It was exactly POC from Friday. And price retested it. And you can see breakdown happened. If we would know that there would be breakdown, man, this first deviation, it was just perfect opportunity for a short. Do you do for people who have no money first on a pay? Man, when you don't have money first on a pay, you go and find a job. I sent screenshots to my team. When you don't have money to do this stuff, you go find a job because it's not serious. Trading is as business works only when you easy, when you don't hurry up, when you wait for best opportunities. You must have zero. You must no care about what's going on around you. That's only in that case trading will work for you. But when you hurry up, when you have no money, you need to pay for your kids, all that stuff, it won't work for you. Like at this moment, we session started, we took only 2 opportunities, and at this moment we wait for a third, and we have only we have 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, if there would be no second opportunity, I will finish it. I like your stream. How often do you stream? It is our first stream with Atas, and if there would be good feedback, we will do it at least once per month, maybe even like once per month with Atas, if the team would enjoy result, and a lot of you would push like, support us, we will do it. When people realize education, they blow everything. How do you plan for they learn first payout? Go find a job. If you cannot invest into your education, you go find a job. When I was young, I was a student. I lived with 100 USD per month because my mother, there was a bad economy when I was a student, and my mother went to Poland to work because there was there actually was no normal job. As a student, she could give me only 100 USD because there was no job for me as a student to make money. And I moved when I needed to find some opportunity. I moved to another city to work. I rent an apartment with no window for several months to find opportunity. With no window, just imagine. And you say to me all of this stuff, you're not serious. You don't want it really a lot, because if you really want it, you would do something. You are not serious. That's it. Also, because we have education company and we work with a lot of people, and we see when people are not serious, they have zero result. Those people who sacrifice something, for example, they have a job and they wake up before a job and work 2 hours, or they do entire homework, or they moved from another city to use that opportunity. Those people have really good result. It's really, I enjoy to work with them, because they put in all efforts that they can do to get a result. And trading from technical part, it's not difficult, because when you learn how all of this indicator works, after that, you weight key areas, and all other stuff, it's a practice. You need to take several hundred trades. That's it. But those people who don't do effort, you can try as much as you want. Always results the same. They are not satisfied. You are always guilty because you didn't work a lot as a coach, because you must do homework for them and all other stuff. Not cool that you took down your nose at traders and play the consciences. We don't trade because we have money. We trade to make money. That's why you will never make money, because you trade to make money. Always, when I heard that stuff, always such kind of people never make money when they do it, because only for money. If you don't enjoy, if you don't want to become as best as you can, you will never make it. I never saw people who did it only because they thought about money. I'm here. I'm here to share with people a reality. I would like to help people, and I really like to help people. But when you say that someone must work for you for free, it's like you would like to steal someone's time. It takes a lot of years to develop all this stuff. There must be a little more appreciation. That's it. I don't ask a lot. Okay, let's do something positive, because do like this live trading on crypto also daily on the video more enough? I don't understand your question. Rewrite, please. Very well said, Amil. Thank you. Friends, at this moment, time to ask your questions, because we waited this moment while price ranging. I would put another screen on another chart on another screen, and once more, I would like to show you what you can get with Vatas, because I think it is the most important tool for every one of you. The most important tool for every one of you. It is market reply. Which level? Let me set alert. 21,361. 21,361. Okay, if price would reach that level, I would see it on my another screen. Once more, the most important tool, I think, on ATAS, it is market reply, especially there are a lot of beginners. If you really value your time, if you really value your money, why this stuff is the most important for us? Why? Because you can reply a lot of days and you can see how some stuff played out. How it works? It's super easy. It's super easy. You go to your home, the reply, you press reply. You need a data. As you can see, I use ProFirm. There are a lot of tutorials on ATAS website, plus they have beautiful support. They can help you. You need to buy data. And after that, you connect reply. Why is this stuff? I think the most wonderful tool. Because you can trade 3 months in a row and you can get so many experience. You can get so many experience. You can trade hundreds of situations. And you need to remember always that trading, it is a practical skill. And if it is a practical skill, best way to build it, it is to practice as much as you can. And reply, it is the best tool. And market reply, it is the best tool. What you do, you choose a day, you choose a time, for example, you would like to start. And after that, you press start. And such market reply, you can set up all of your indicators. All of your indicators you can set up. Of course, you will need to have a clear templates, because if you don't have templates and clear indicators, it won't help you. That's the reason why we share free templates in description. And have a look. You can see real-time data. You can even open DOM, depth of market, and you can see how orders were entering. Let's do order flow blocks. Have a look. When you change the speed, you can see how orders coming in market. Some people even use bookmap. You can use liquidity map. I don't, in my strategy, honestly, I don't use liquidity maps. That's why I don't need it. It's up to your approach. And what's after? You can see, plus you can execute trades. You can execute trades inside, and you can see how your strategy works. For example, you can take the buy limit, and you can see like your buy limit, did it work or not? And you can see, for example, price reach key area. You can see how it played out. You can close part of position. You can see at this moment, like I chose one contract. And what I would like to do, I would like to set sell limit and close, for example, one contract out. You can see I closed one contract out. After that, like this trade risk-free. After that, like another trade taken. And you can see, for example, why you took it, how it played out. For you, once more, it is the best way to educate. It is, you will never find just the best, just better way, better option. You will never find a better option to take a trade. You can see how accuracy of your trades, for example, in what cases it is better to take like aggressive trade, in what cases it's better to trade like be less aggressive. In some cases, you will see your mistakes. You can change speed. That's why, once more, market reply, it is a must tool for every person who would like to learn scalping. Because strategies, templates, all of this stuff is really good and important. Opa. It looks like we have a trend shift. You can see that the price, this limit orders, with bigger chance there would be a trend shift. What at this moment time right now? Good. It is 18 o'clock. Friends, at this moment, we were with you 1 hour 45 minutes. At this moment, you have opportunity to ask several questions. I will choose 5 questions, and it would be end of our session. That's why, once more, you have opportunity to ask whatever you wish, and let's go, because I would like to take some rest. Also agreed. Also, best advice is to set rules and follow them, no matter what. This way you will do wonders. Yes, I agree. I agree with you 100%. Let's buy once more. Okay, I see no questions. What you do right now, you go down, download a task for free with full functionality. You go download a task. Plus, there is a demo. When you download a task, there is a demo for 2 weeks. You can test it. After that, you go download my templates because even for market reply, you need a clear strategy to use. And you do retest at least 1-2 months before you go to live account. Do you ever use VWAP from 9:30 on only daily? I use daily VWAP. What are some of the best trade YouTubers you have learned from? You can follow our channel and you can follow channel of Atas. Of course, I wouldn't. Does Atas work with Trader? You should ask Atas team. I use daily, but you can try. Okay, I see there is no more questions. I think it is time to say thank you to our task team for providing this opportunity. We had really good trading session. We took one trade break even. We took second trade. Yes, we could make way more money on this trade because actually this trade gave from top to bottom 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. That's example for you why you need to know what you trade, because when you trade trend market, it's super important to follow the trend, and VWAP, it is the best tool that you can use. When you trade in a range market, this bounce from POC on a range market, honestly, it would be one of the best trades, but it is a trend day. At this moment, with bigger chance there would be a trend shift because there's this significant delta absorbed inside. Without good stop loss hunt, I would not take a trade here. There must be significant delta absorption as it was here. Only in that case, I would try additional short. Okay, love you, my friends. Have a good time.
Thank you, Yuriy. Thank you for an amazing webinar. I'm pretty convinced that all the spectators really appreciate your live trading with the profit of 3.75 R. That was really amazing. And thank you guys for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe to be able to join us next time, and give thumbs up if you like our webinars. We will see you next time at our Atas channel. Bye-bye.